We'll go ahead and park the C43 and test out the park assist. So you happen to live in a big city and you're trying to park your car. Sometimes it can get very difficult, especially in tight spaces. Now, which is why we have park assist to the rescue. We're going to park this C43 right in that spot. Now, every Mercedes has this sign here, says P. You press on that, it gives you camera views in your car, and there is also another option known as park assist. Obviously, you can use the camera views to look around your car, see if there are any objects or pavements, so you don't damage your wheels or your tires, so it looks good. And of course, you can also adjust different options: front camera angle, rear camera angle, and on the side as well. You want to make sure you check for curbs or pavements on either side. Now we'll go ahead and press the park assist. That is close. Yikes. Okay, we need to align it. Okay, perfect. It looks pretty good. You can see the spot is pretty accurate for parking, and that's the park assist in the 2025 C43 AMG. Subscribe to Mercedes Lounge for weekly videos. Until next time, stay positive. Peace.